Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Radio Gordon. Today we're playing, no, I'm just kidding. Welcome to Gordon Guitar. That is the place to be, and we're learning a very cool song. It's from Sean Paul. Yes, you know that guy, and also Brushy One String. That is the name. I just had to kind of pick that from the heaven. Brushy One String, Burn Dem Down. That's a cool song I'm gonna look into. And yes, we have this bass going on, and I'm gonna teach you everything about that. First, I need to highlight my new YouTube channel. It's called Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up here. I need to support, guys. So yeah, please go there and subscribe to that channel. That is the best way to thank me for my work here. And by the way, that channel teaches you how to play a full song from the beginning till the very end. Old school classics up till this point. We have great songs there, and comments there can also impact on the content, basically, so you can have your songs there as well. So yeah, please go and check that one out. Gordon Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Now let's burn them down. And we have no need for any capo here. It's free on the fretboard. We also have this bass going on its play throughout the song. So I'm gonna teach you two versions of it, because one is easier in my opinion, and one could be kind of the original because it's brushy one string. So I'm gonna teach you how to play it on one string, everything. Let's start with the easier version first, in my opinion, because you don't have to play all around on the fretboard. You have everything in one place. That is easier in my opinion, even if you have to switch strings. So we're gonna start with that first. We have basically two different melodies. So the first melody is played 3 times, and the last melody is played on the 4th round, and that just repeats itself. So let's start with the first part, and it goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 times on the open E string, and then a clap. Then you're gonna play 2nd E string, and then 2 times on the 3rd E string and a clap. Then 2 times on the 3rd fret A string and clap. And then 2 times on the 2nd fret A string and a clap. That is that round, okay? So slowly. You repeat that part for 3 times, so. Okay, then you gotta play this part for 2 times, so. Okay, no claps here. You're just gonna play open A string, 3rd E, back to open A, 2nd A, open A, 3rd E, open E, and 3rd E. So that is the half. You're gonna play that 2 times basically. So. Alright. And then you just go back and play again over and over everything you just learned. So I'm gonna play round number 3, round number 4 for you in standard tempo to understand what's going on. So let's do it. And so on. All right, so you can also add extra strings to it. I know in the intro, the first rounds there, just an intro, it plays a little differently with more added notes to it, but then after that, throughout in the song, you're gonna play like this we just learned. That is the easier version in my opinion, because you have everything here. You don't have to work around, down, up, and so on the fretboard. Now if you go as brushy one string, you can still handle it, but you have to travel down and up, and I'm gonna show you how now. So the first 3 rounds are played like this. Okay, so what you're gonna do here is to start in the same way, 2 times on an open E string, then second and third on the E string, with the claps of course. So clap, third, 3, clap. But then comes this part, and you're now up on, let's see, the 8th fret, 2 times on that and clap, and 7th fret, 2 times on that and clap. So that is the difference in the first 3 rounds. So okay, then comes this part for 2 times. Okay, so now you're playing on the 5th fret E string, 3rd fret, back to 5th, slide up to 7th, back to 5th, then 3rd, open, and 3rd. And you play that for 2 times. So So I'm gonna take you through now again, round number 3 and 4, so you get one of both, and it goes like this. That's it, guys. Sean Paul and Brushy, 1 string, Burn Them Down. Thought this was a cool song, so we just had to have it here on Gordon Guitar. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something from it. Now let's go and rock. Hope to see you soon. Play tuned.